Star Wars: The Force Awakens.
BB-8, remote controlled, in-home drone. It comes with 2 informational paper packets. And now I turn you guys over to my personal MVP assistant of the world, my little dude.
Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm EC3.
And I'm here to show you.
And I'm here to show you
What are you showing?
BB-8.
All right. Now, does it come like this when you get it in a box?
No.
How's it come?
It comes in different pieces.
Gotcha.
And he's awake.
Okay. Were you able to put it together?
No. Your parents have to do it.
Okay. Gotcha. So what part of that?
Huh?
What's that?
The remote.
The big circle.
The ball he holds.
Oh, okay.
And his head.
Oh, cool. It's removable?
Yes, it's magnet.
Oh, it's magnetic, huh? It is magnetic. And the reason why we bring this up is because we were actually watching something, and if you have certain pacemaker devices and stuff like that, apparently magnetic fields can mess or tweak them. So we just wanted to put out there just in case anybody had that sort of situation in their family. And here we go. Forward again.
You have
So
to put the head on.
I'll go, okay. And what's that in your hand?
Remote control.
What's that look like? So there's only 4 directions you can go with that.
Yes.
Okay.
These are for the head. This is for where it goes straight or forward.
Gotcha.
Forward or backwards.
Gotcha. Okay. So what are you going to do now?
I'm going to show you the best part of all. Driving it or
Cool. Now what powers it? What powers that?
6 batteries.
Very cool. Very cool. So, he's just come to life, and oh, that happens quite a bit. For some reason, his head will just like blatantly disconnect if he hits a railing, or maybe if you shoot him over a hit the forward button. Alright, stop. So what you gotta do is you gotta get it centered correctly. Alright, go ahead and take him that way. So yeah, he sort of like weebles and wobbles as he sort of navigates through your home. What happened there? That was not a manufacturer error. Sorry, that was a user error and having a momentum. All right, let's bring it back towards us if you think you can accomplish that. And the reason why we are sharing this video with everybody is for what reason? Yeah, you do. It's because, shouldn't one of these be in everyone's home?
It's one of the coolest Christmas toys I ever had.
Well, what about outside of Christmas toys?
It's one of the best toys I ever had.
Gotcha. For what? A large age group, would you say?
Yes.
Because everybody pretty much likes them, right?
Yes.
Right. So now,
there you have it.
so he only works and like functions when you make him with the remote?
Yes. No.
No, why? What's he doing right now?
Moving.
Okay. He will auto move. He auto chirps and squeaks and beeps and bops. He turns his head. He hangs out. He chills with you, and he picks up on noise and motion and stuff in the room, and he sort of is capable of almost interacting with a group of individuals.
So there you have it, a remote control BB-8.
Would you give this a 2 thumbs up? All right. So, verdict's in. 2 thumbs up on the BB-8 remote control in-house drone.
Peace.
Take it easy, y'all.